Hi there. We are Babam, a woman-owned and run promotional product agency that makes cooler swag. In this video, I'm going to go over three of our popular icebreaker kits for remote teams. These are also a really fun way to onboard a new team member and introduce them via a Zoom meeting or an office meeting. And let's get to it. Our first kit here is called the Never Have I Ever game. And what's included in this kit is healthy snack assortment as shown, custom printable cooler lunch bag, custom printed double-sided paddles, and the kit starts at $19.99 per kit. Let's go over what the details are. Never Have I Ever game is a popular game on The Ellen Show. The Never Have I Ever game provides hours of virtual fun to your next Zoom meeting. The meeting coordinator asks the group a series of never have I ever questions. For example, never have I ever swam with sharks. To answer the question, each participant holds up the paddle with either I have or I have never side of the paddle. If someone holds up the I have side, ask them to briefly tell the group about it. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Add your custom branding to the lunch bags and game paddles. Branded kits are drop shipped to your individual team members. Connect to a Zoom call and let the fun begin. Let's move on to kit number 2. We have our Beer Flight Happy Hour kit, and it includes favorite pub grub nut and dried berry mix, custom printable sack, custom printed beer flight glasses, custom printed or engraved sampler flight wooden paddle, and starts at $25.99 per kit. So details about the Beer Flight Happy Hour kit. Are you missing happy hour Fridays at the office? Why not host a company Zoom meeting with a beer happy hour kits? Alcohol not included. How it works: send your team the Beer Flight Happy Hour kits and a few local brews to try. Your meeting host should provide additional information about the beers in flight. Enjoy some pub grub snacks from your kit and share some TGIF cheers with your team Zoom style. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Add your custom branding to the wooden flight paddles, snack sacks, and glasses. Branded kits are drop shipped to your individual team members. Simply connect to a Zoom call and let the fun begin. All right, and so we have our third kit here. This is the Timo Bingo Snack and Play Kits. And what's included is sweet and savory artisan treats with the custom branded box, custom printed bingo shutter cards, and the kits start at $39.99 per kit. Have a little retro fun with your virtual team and a couple rounds of bingo. How to play. The team coordinator calls out a series of numbers, and the first participant to get 5 in a row, either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally, yells out bingo. Award your winners with the fun prizes to keep them super engaged. Team members can enjoy their snacks while they play bingo. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Add your custom branding to the snap boxes and bingo cards. Branded kits are drop shipped to your individual team members. Simply connect to a Zoom call and let the fun begin. And those are our kits here. And why are icebreaker kits so important? Well, they help with team building. Icebreaker kits offer your remote team something tangible to help them feel connected to the team. According to Forbes magazine, effective team building means more engaged employees, which is good for company culture and boosting the bottom line. It helps to reduce stress. Did you know that 83% of workers suffer from work-related stress, and it costs businesses a projected $300 billion in revenue a year? Set the right tone with your company culture and create a work-life balance in the office. And spark creativity. The midday slump kills productivity and your bottom line. Help revive creative juices with fun games, snacks, and prizes to put a stop to the end of the day burnout. So get ready to have some fun. If you'd like some more information about our icebreaker kits, or if you're interested in new hire welcome kits or any sort of kitting for your office, go ahead and reach out to us at info@babam.com, or visit us online at babam.com. Thank you for watching.